Morning in Saigon begins early. The city hums to life with the sounds of scooters and breakfast stalls. On Trần Lựu Street in District 2, just beneath the shade of two broad trees, sits Tree Ngon, a modest corner stall that's been quietly feeding locals for years. From afar, it's easy to miss. Just a few umbrellas, bright blue and red plastic chairs, and a simple yellow food cart parked out front. But come closer and you'll catch that unmistakable scent of butter and grilled beef drifting into the street. I take a seat under one of the umbrellas. Despite the traffic, there's something comforting about the scene. The simplicity, the routine, the shared love for a good meal.
This bitter and a little bitter egg and butter.
Cảm ơn.
Salad.
Okay, thank you.
My order arrives on a heavy cast iron plate shaped like a cow, still sizzling. A savory aroma rises. Beef, egg, onion, and pâté, all melding together in the steam. The beefsteak glistens, thinly sliced, slightly charred at the edges. On top, white onion slivers soften in the heat, releasing a faint sweetness. The beef is rustic and chewy, marinated in soy and garlic. Not fancy, but deeply comforting. Next to it, a sunny side-up egg trembles, its yolk bright and glossy. A cube of pink pâté melts slowly at the corner, releasing that rich, buttery fragrance unique to Vietnamese-style bonnet. The pâté adds a salty depth that pairs beautifully with the sweetness of the onions and the creaminess of the egg. I tear into the baguette, light, crisp, and warm. The crust shatters with a satisfying crack. Inside, the bread is airy and perfect for soaking up the buttery sauce. I dip a piece into the runny yolk. It soaks up the flavor instantly. Each bite is rich, creamy, and slightly smoky. This entire set costs 52,000 dong, just over 2 Singapore dollars. It's not the most refined meal, but it's satisfying in that honest, street-side way that makes you slow down and appreciate the moment. As I finish the last piece of bread, the sizzling plate grows quiet, the butter solidifying at the edges. It's a small, fleeting meal, but it captures everything I love about Vietnamese street breakfast. The sounds, the smells, the warmth, and the sense of belonging to a place, even if only for a morning. Tree Ngon is a simple breakfast spot, but it is one that serves its food with heart.